Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a very easy sparkly eye look. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first gonna apply some eyeshadow primer. I'll be using my all-time favorite, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm applying this all over my eyelid using my favorite brush to apply this, which is the Sigma Beauty P84. Then now for today's eye look, I'm gonna use this new palette from Kylie Cosmetics. I saw on her Instagram that she already launched a new collection, so yeah, she's pretty quick with her collections. So this one isn't new already anymore, but yeah, it's like from the previous collection. I'm taking this color that I just showed and I'm gonna blend this all over in the crease, going back and forth. I just wanted the shade to be everywhere to kind of really warm up the crease area. I'm not really sure what the name is of the brush that I'm using, but this is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection, and it kind of looks like the Morphe M504, which is a really nice big blending brush. Then I'm taking a blending brush from Anastasia and I'm focusing more at the outer V area to kind of connect the lower lash line, the outer V, with the crease area, so you get like a sort of a round shaped, well, it's not really round, it's more like in a winged end, but you want like the smokiness around the outer end as well, so that's why I'm doing that. Then I'm taking my finger to take this really pretty soft color. This is gonna be the base for the glitter eyeshadow which comes in this palette. I think the shade that I'm using today for the eyelid, it's like the shade that I think most people buy it for, so that's why I wanted to use this. But before that, I first want to use this to kind of use it as a base for underneath. Whenever I go in with glitter, I like to use a shimmery kind of eyeshadow underneath it. I just feel like it looks a little bit better. So now I'm gonna take this color which I was just talking about. It's like a really pretty golden greenish shade. It's like really unique, it's really pretty. So I'm taking my finger to press this all over the eyelid. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I feel like it's a really pretty color for summer, which it is right now. So I think the shade is really pretty. So I'm just using it all over the eyelids, and to really make it sparkly, I just decided to add like a few layers to make it look as like glittery as possible. I felt like with the nude matte shades in this palette, they look really soft, they don't look really dark. If you are a person that likes darker colors, I feel like this palette doesn't really have it. I feel like all the matte shades are really subtle, really soft. I know in this palette there are also like a really bright orange and a really bright green. If I would use those shades, I would like to have like a darker matte shade as well, which the palette doesn't have, which is kind of sad. I don't know why she chose for that, but yeah. If you're a person that loves soft shades, you will love this palette. So now I'm taking the new liquid liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use this to create a simple line above the lash line. I just wanted to keep it really simple, create like a really quick eye look for you guys, which will give you some summer inspiration. Also, for my last 3 or 4 videos, I used neutral kind of shades, just like I'm doing in today's video. Don't worry, for those who are kind of sick of those neutral shades, I will be doing a more colorful look soon, so don't worry. I just have those moments where I'm really into glitter or cut crease or smoky eye, and then I pump a few like smoky eye videos, and then I have a few glitters. It's just kind of what I'm in the mood for, and I was really in the mood for like those neutral kind of eye looks, but don't worry, I'll be doing more dramatic smoky looks really soon using some color. So now I'm using some lashes, which are new styles for my lash brand Anytude, which will be back real soon. I'm really excited for this. For some of you know, like I had my own lash company. I stopped with it. I don't know why, I just didn't really felt doing it anymore, and I really don't know why, because I really like the lashes that I sold. So don't worry, they will be back and better than ever, so don't worry. I'm really excited for it. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, I have a few discount codes in the description bar for Sigma Beauty, BH Cosmetics, and Makeupgeek. And yeah, I just hope you guys all enjoyed. I hope this will give you some inspiration for summer, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!